Hello there, welcome to the pre-trip inspection checklist video. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to use this app efficiently and how it generates a report which replaces the papers that you have at your offices. This also, the user interface replaces the papers that you use in doing the trip or departure inspection check. So this app can be used by any bus operator. It is a standard app. As you can see, it has everything that you check. So before you leave the depot, so you've got to make sure the bus is okay to keep everyone safe. So this app does the job of those papers that you use every day. So now let's get into it quickly. So I'm using the mobile website for now. The app is in progress, and we're gonna have it in the App Store and the Google Play very soon. So let's go straight into it. So it says pre-trip inspection checklist for bus operators. Check box for OK, uncheck for defect, and explain the defect in the comments section. So the first thing you're gonna do is obviously you've got to select the date, your date of travel. Let's say it is on the 30th. So you put that in there, and you're gonna enter your bus radio. Let's say this is your bus radio number, and the first thing, interior check vehicle was secured and no unexpected or suspicious items found. Check seat belts. So if it's all good, you tick yes, all good. Mirrors, you check all good, yes. So wheels and tires, let's just say you've got a low pressure, so one of the tires, you just put it in here, low pressure. So you can type anything you want here to explain what's the defect. So now it is a defect. So now you don't need to tick this box, because if you do that, you're saying that everything is okay. So if it's not okay, you just put the defect here. Let's say all these ones are okay. So I'll take this, I'll take this, I'll take this. Fire extinguisher, all good. So doors and signs, all good. So now this is where you're gonna enter your manager's email address. Let's just say this is your manager's email address. Let's just say this is your manager's email address. So I'm using my own email address for now. So you read the instructions and then put your name as the person who has conducted the inspection. So this is my name, and so you go submit. So you go up to see, here is just confirming that this is what you've entered and this is what has been submitted. So now let's say your manager goes into his email. Let's have a look and see what it looks like. So here is we're gonna refresh to see, okay, and this is the email here, the report that the manager gets in the office. So this is what you have entered, and the bus radio registration number and everything. So the manager can save this to a file sharing or file storage program like Dropbox, or save this to the computer, so he or she doesn't need to print it. So the idea is to get rid of pipers, the pipers that you use for this. If you have any question regarding this, it's pretty simple, straightforward. Please do not hesitate to contact us. Our email address is info@pretrip.com.au, and like I said, this can be used by any bus operator anywhere. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any question, please do not hesitate to ask us. Thank you, and we hope to do some more videos later, and we'll let you know when the apps are ready. Bye for now.